The Phantom Virtual Tap is a game changer because this product solves one of the biggest challenges that exist in the data centers today, which is how do I have visibility into all of the traffic that's moving around my virtual world?
Suddenly, the growth of the virtual environment create areas where traffic is invisible.
It's a liability in your infrastructure because what you don't see, you can't protect and you can't manage.
NetOptics has constantly innovated products that give you 100% visibility into the physical, and now the way that we innovated and designed the Phantom Virtual Tap was to solve the biggest pain point that we've heard from customers in the marketplace, and that is, how do I see what is happening across my inter-VM traffic? You now, with the Phantom Virtual Tap, can see 100% of that traffic, and you can aggregate your physical and your virtual traffic together and have one view across the entire network.
Deploying Phantom with the Director allows you to see the converged picture of a traffic between physical servers, virtual servers, and where they converge onto one network by bridging that traffic onto the same instrumentation layer.
So the Phantom Virtual Tap can actually send the traffic that it sees to a physical monitoring tool in a really unique fashion. We're able to capture the traffic on that virtual appliance and through an encapsulated tunnel send it out of that physical host over to a director. Now that director actually has a unique module in it called the DCM, a director control module. It de-encapsulates that traffic and then uses its switch fabric to redirect it to a specific monitoring device.
There are three primary challenges that the Phantom Virtual Tap solves. One is overall performance, second is compliance, and the third is security.
So the Phantom Virtual Tap helps with performance because it actually has a capacity planning component to it. So in addition to giving you visibility of the metrics from a layer 2 standpoint of traffic going in and out of the host as well as inter-VM, it gives you CPU utilization, memory utilization, and storage utilization so you can plan properly and scale to your need.
Our customers are looking at Phantom to be able to have evidence for compliance. You have a credit card transaction going between one server and another. You need to be able to show that it was meeting the PCI requirements and the traffic was encrypted.
When it comes to security, for example, if you've got malware within any particular VM, if you don't see that or detect that right away, that could permeate across your entire environment very quickly, which is a security threat and a risk. Phantom Virtual Tap will revolutionize the way that you think about building out your next generation monitoring architecture.
We now give you the ability to have 100% visibility across the virtual and the physical. Visibility in the virtual is now a reality, and this is just the beginning.